Look at this sunrise. We are not normally sunrise people, mostly sunset people. But the video doesn't even do this justice with these colors. This is incredible. This was our last day here at Playa Escondida. We were going to pack up and head on over to the city of Loreto. We need to do some laundry, visit some breweries, and then on to the best beach camp we've had. What is up, everybody? We are in the Puebla of Loreto, Puebla Magico. It's pretty nice so far. We have a little camp spot in town, but we've been walking around a little bit. It is hot AF out right now, like super hot. But we're in Palapa, we're on the beach, there's a nice breeze. Like, this is really, really wonderful right now. Hopefully you can hear me from the wind. But we're just gonna stay here one night. We got some laundry getting done. We just stopped at a couple breweries and we're hanging out. This was the road to Agua Verde. This was really amazing. We were on dirt and rock for about an hour and a half, basically doing mountain passes, cliff sides, and then the ocean opened up here and we were super close to our destination. Can we really camp on that thing? Alright, what's this say? Private property, welcome to. Please no fire on the sand. Please take your garbage with you and maintain our beach clean.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god, this is amazing.
Oh, babe, this water. Okay, yeah, you look at the road.
Are you telling me to do something?
No. Okay, I'm ready.
This is nothing.
How are we going to be able to get back up out of here?
Oh, this is easy. Up is easy. That's not an issue at all.
But down is not easy. Oh my god, I'm like straight for.
No, down is scarier.
You know when they talked about the pucker,
14
the pucker factor?
14.
Okay, yeah. Excellent. Let's be done.
Yeah, we're gonna be done in a second. That's gonna go slow. Easy stuff. Shut up. Porta potty.
No way.
Yeah, I knew there was. This guy loves this beach and takes care of it. Looks like we have the whole place to ourselves. Where would you like to camp?
Not only was this beach camp gorgeous, we were joined by 3 adorable pups for much of our stay. I named them small, medium, and large. There you see medium up front, large in the middle, and small in the back. What an incredible place to stay for 5 nights. Surrounded by water, sand beneath our toes.
Greetings and salutations, everyone. We are in Baja still. I got some sunburn on my head when I was snorkeling this morning. And the reason I was snorkeling this morning is because we are at this incredible beach. You can see behind me there's some water. We are basically on, a spit between 2 bodies of water. It is absolutely incredible. This water is the clearest yet. Check this out. This is where we are. This is called Agua Verde. The water is it's just incredible. It's so calm. It's so clear. You can see this pretty awesome road here we drove down. We were on dirt and rock road for about an hour and a half once we left the highway. Tortuga, we aired down. Tortuga took it amazing. Everyone is scared of this section of the road, this hill. Going down to me is scarier than going up, so I don't think we'll have any issues going up. But you can see it's pretty fantastic. There's this bird. This water, guys. So the thing about this water, I don't know if we can really tell here, there's this black mass in the water around the orange mooring ball right there. That is a huge school of tuna, like a giant school of tuna. I got the drone out and took some drone video of that. So it's really incredible to watch from above. I snorkeled out there this morning and got really close to it. It was a little intimidating just based on how many there were. And there was like 4 or 5 big adult ones that were swimming around the fish as well. I have never seen anything like this before in my life. This was the most incredible thing ever. And to get this drone footage of this huge, massive fish and the way they move around to avoid predators and to avoid anything from the sky. I believe they form this huge mass so no birds or anything can pick them off one by one. This was just full of juveniles with, like I said earlier, about 4 or 5 large fish. I think we're protecting the whole school of fish here. It was just insane, and I can't believe I caught this drone footage. But look at the clearness of this water. This is Agua Verde. We are on the Baja Peninsula, Baja California Sur. This is incredible. So this is Agua Verde, this little protected bay right here. It's just incredible. I can't even say it again and again and again. So we're parked up here on this beach. And then on the other side over there is another body of water. I'm not really sure what that bay is called. But that is like, we're in between 2 bodies of water, just camping on this incredible sand beach. Just walk right into the water. It's super warm. There's Shannon. You can see, I don't know if you can see under the Jeep, we've got some friends here. 3 just beach dogs that were hanging out with another couple that was camping in a tent earlier, but the couple left and now they're our friends, and no, they do not belong to us, but they're really enjoying the shade of the Jeep right now. We've got the Starlink up, some solar going. What do you think, babe?
I really like it here. I would like to stay here forever. With the dogs.
With the dogs.
Yeah, there's dogs.
Oh yeah, there's dogs. Yeah. No, but there's the other body of water over there. I got some really good drone shots. They'll be in our video as well, but there we go. This one's awesome. We're probably 3 nights here. I think this might be Punto Final.
I said that when we got here. You didn't believe me.
Yeah.
And then you found a fish ball.
And then I found a fish ball. I think it's the water for me that is. Last night, there was a sailboat, a catamaran, and then a yacht over on the other side. The catamaran and the sailboat were right here. But they all left this morning. Doesn't look like anybody's over there on that beach. We got the place to ourselves, guys. This is, I think we're doing it right. I think this is a win.
Plus we have dogs.
And then Shannon said, plus we have dogs. Do you see these? This one's a little puggy mix. And then these 2 down here are just Mexican street dogs. They're really, really sweet and nice dogs. Good morning, everyone. As we start day 3 here at Agua Verde Spit, let's talk about the visitors we've had. You guys can see in this video right here, there is a horse or burro or jackass. We think it's a horse.
It's a horse, of course.
Up at the top of this mountain here on the peninsula. We had 2 or 3 dogs hang out with us all day yesterday.
Their names are small, medium, and large.
Shannon says their names are small, medium, and large.
Medium came back this morning. She's just kicking it in the shade.
There she is right there. The other two went over this mountain last night where there were about 12 goats.
Yep, 12 to 15 goats.
Yeah.
Identified several new birds.
Shannon, say that again.
I've identified several new birds.
Yeah, what's your favorite so far that you've seen?
The adorable little gray-blue gnat catchers that are in these trees right here. They're like this big.
Yeah, they're
They
very
looked like
tiny.
hummingbirds at first, but turns out they're gnat catchers.
I think the masked booby was really cool that we saw yesterday. Quite a few of those,
Quite a few boobies.
yeah, four or five of those.
Obviously, they're seagulls. We have a new yacht in the bay.
Yeah.
The 3W or 3Dub is the name of it.
Yeah, here, I'll show you guys the yacht. They came kind of late last night. It's really gorgeous. Look at that thing. There was a birthday celebration on the yacht last night. They put out like blue lights all night. It's really gorgeous. Couple, 3 sailboats in the bay as well, and this yacht. Yeah, so day 3, we're gonna for sure stay here again tonight. We're gonna snork our butts off today. Oh my goodness, yesterday I snorkeled, and this, I don't know if I told you guys, the tuna fish school was just, it's the most incredible thing I've ever seen. Yeah, I think I said something about it yesterday, but yeah, I'm gonna see if that's there again today. There's this really nice reef over here with lots of colorful fish, some white coral that I'm gonna look up, and like these crazy, what did I call them? Urchin type, like perfect ball things. Like they were really cool. Maybe I can get the GoPro and do some underwater stuff today. Maybe, we'll see. Bye.
What's up, everybody? Hey, look at how tan I'm looking. My goodness. It's like I've been out in the sun for days. Today's our 4th day here at this gorgeous beach. What's this place called again? Agua Verde. Agua Verde. And I wanted to give a little update. The pups that have been hanging out with us, you can see them right there. Their owner finally came down the hill. Their caretaker. So as you may know, I named them Small, Medium, and Large. Small and Large went home after the first night, but Medium has been hanging out for like 2 days, and literally like maybe a half an hour ago I was like, what are we gonna do if she's still here and she's hungry and she hasn't eaten? We've been giving her water but not food. Like, what are we gonna do? And no sooner did those words come out of my mouth, her caretaker came down from the hill and brought food for all 3 dogs. Small and Large came back, and she told us that there used to be a house on this island, on this little spit, and that's where Medium's original owner lived. And so she likes to come down here and like just hang out down here. And so she chose to hang out with us for a few days, and it was kind of lovely to have a pup. We spent the day snorking our faces off. We saw so many cool fish. We saw an octopus yesterday. Lots of these like needle nose guys. One that was like literally the size of my thigh in both length and girth. Freaked me out a little bit. We think the fish ball is moved. And that's your news from Agua Verde for today. We think we're going to stay one more night after tonight. Like stay all day tomorrow and then tomorrow night, because it's been that epic. Check it out. Oh, yeah, baby. Beach it up.
All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna tackle this hill. It doesn't look like much from down here. We're leaving this beach after 5 nights here. Like seriously, it doesn't look like anything. But coming down, we hit a 14-degree downslope.
Everybody goes to the right because of that little pile of rocks right there. Here goes nothing.
Tortuga's just gonna crawl right up it. It's 18 degrees.
Oh my god.
Just easy peasy.
lemon squeezy.